Hi, today we're going to talk about winter driving. Not too much legal going on here, just trying to keep you out of trouble. Number one, in the Seattle area at least, frankly, the government here just isn't adequately prepared for a winter storm. We don't have them often enough, we're not full of snow plows, and as a result, the roads can be kind of treacherous. You need to be careful. Your best advice is always, if you don't have to go, put it off. Probably not going to be snowy for too many days in a row here, and just bite that bullet. On the other hand, if you do have to venture out, some tips that are important. Number one, at least double your distance in front of any vehicle around you. Even if you know what you're doing in the snow, or you think you do, or you're lucky enough to have never had a problem, that doesn't mean anybody else or everybody else is in the same boat. So that distance is key to giving you options so that you don't find yourself in a predicament that you don't want to be in. Number two, this is a hilly area, and you really need to be careful on those hills. You should have a good idea of your vehicle's braking capacity, particularly in snow or ice. And the reality is that on a hill it is very limited, no matter what type of vehicle you're driving. Four-wheel drive is great for getting you up that hill, but it's not going to help you much on the braking side. Last but not least, make sure that you actually clear your vehicle of all snow. That includes the roof and the hood, because that snow is just going to go somewhere when you start moving, and it can create a danger for other people and yourself. Bottom line though, do everything differently. Be very, very, very careful, and treat the conditions for what they are, which is you're going to run into unexpected slippery spots, and sometimes that's not even a visible thing. It's a very real thing called black ice. It's actually a somewhat viable legal defense in Washington. If you hit ice that you had no idea you were on and it causes you to go out of control and hit somebody, that isn't necessarily a negligent event. Nevertheless, it's still a big problem for you and anybody else involved. So be careful out there.